Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do mathematics. So let's revise. So first we are starting with numbers. Remember we did the counting from 851 to 1000. Yes. So you remember all the numbers. So let's see the questions. Choose the correct answer. See the first question. Write the numbers from 912 to 916. 912 to 916. Yes. What will be the answer? Is it A, 902, 903, 904, 905, 906? Or is it B, 912, 913, 914, 915, 916? Yes. What will be the answer? Yes, very good. The answer is B. 912, 913, 914, 915, 916. Let's see question number 2. Write the greatest number. You have to find out the greatest number from 845, 901, 958. Yes, out of these three numbers, which is the greatest number? Is it A, 958, or is it B, 845? Yes. What will be the answer? A, 958. Number 3. Write the smallest number. 601, 348 or 812. Which is the smallest number? Is it A, 812 or B, 348? Yes. The correct answer is 348. Very good. Yes, so let's start with today's topic. Today we are going to do ascending order. Remember kids, this concept we have done in class 1. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means we have to write first the smallest number and then we will write the big number. So from small to big we always go. It's an order of numbers. Whenever there are certain numbers given, you have to put that in order. Okay, like for example, if it is 1 2 3 4, that is the ascending order. But if I say 4 3 2 1, it will be the descending order. Okay, so small to big, 1 2 3 4 is ascending order, and 4 3 2 1, when I go backward counting, it is descending order, that is big to small. Okay, so first let's try to understand ascending order. Now, what is ascending order? As I just now told you, ascending order means arranging the numbers from small to big. It means arranging the numbers from small to big. Let's take one example. See here. Here, the number is 20, 30, 10, and 40. So, you have to go from small to big, ascending order. So, which is the smallest number in this? 20, 30, 10 or 40? It is 10. Okay. And also, when you have finished with one number, just cross it. Okay. So, you will come to know that which all numbers are left to be written. Now, after 10, which is the smallest number? 20. Yes. After 20, 30, and then we have 40. So 10, 20, 30, and 40. That's the correct ascending order for this question. Okay. Let's take some more questions. Arrange in ascending order. See question number 1. The numbers is 184, 134, 144, 154. Always see that according to the counting, you will understand. Now see the second number. From the second number, you will understand that in which place you have to put. Okay, just see. Now, out of this, which is the smallest number? 134. This will come first. After that, which is the smallest number? 144. Then 154. And at last, it will be 184. See the next question. You have 52, 93, 32, 66. Yes. So which is the smallest number that will come? 32. After 32 will be 52, then 66, and by the last will be 93. Let's see the next question. 183, 178, 145 and 142. Yes. So out of this, which will be the smallest number? It will be 142. After that, 145. Then we will have 178 and then 183. Okay. So that is how you have to arrange the ascending order. So you must know the forward and backward counting in this. Then only it will be easy for you to do these questions. Okay, according to the ascending order. So learning the counting is very important. Okay. Now let's come to the descending order. Descending order means going from big to small. Going from big to small. Descending order means the numbers we have to range from big to small. Let's take one example. Here again the same question we have taken 10, 30, 20 and 40. So first which number will come? Big or small? Big number. So first will be 40. The next number will be 30. After 30, which is the smallest number? 20. Then which is the smallest number? 10. So this is an easy way to do it, okay? When you cross the numbers which you have written, then you will understand which numbers are left to be written. Let's see some more questions on this. A, 123, 193, 142 and 138. Yes. Which is the biggest number in this? It is 193. Then you have 142. After that, 138. And finally, 123. Let's see the next one. 76, 89, 104 and 132. Which is the biggest number in this? Can you see? Can you find out? It is 132. After that, 104. After that, we have 189 and then 76. Yes. Let's see the next question. 187, 190, 122 and 111. Yes. Which is the biggest number in this? Can you find out? Yes, it is 190. Then it will be 187, 122 and 111. Yes. Now you have a question. Arrange in descending order. 160, 120, 170 and 110. Which will be the correct answer? 110, 120, 160, 170, or is it 170, 160, 120 and 110? Yes, which is the ascending order? Ascending order means from small to big. Yes. So, A is the correct answer. 110, 120, 160 and 170. The numbers are going from small to big, small to big. See the next question. Arrange in descending order. 52, 69, 199 and 90. What will be the correct answer? 199, 90, 69, 52, or is it B? 52, 69, 90 and 199. It will be A. 199, 90, 69 and 52. Yes. So that's all related to your topic of arranging in ascending and descending order. Hope you have understood and do revise these questions which I have shown in the PPT, and also you can take some questions of your own to do it. Till then, we'll meet soon for our next class. Bye-bye.